In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly draw using Canva. Canva is a powerful and user-friendly platform that helps you create stunning visuals without needing advanced design skills. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience with digital design, this guide will help you master Canva's drawing feature quickly and confidently. Let's dive in. Start by going to Canva's homepage and logging into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard filled with templates, design types, and various creative tools. It can look a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry. We'll keep things simple and focused. Next, choose the type of project you want to work on. You can open a blank canvas or select a pre-designed template to build on. For example, you might pick a social media post, a presentation slide, or even a custom-sized design. Select whatever best fits your creative goal. Once your design page is open, direct your attention to the left-hand toolbar. You'll see several icons like text, elements, and photos. What we're looking for is the Tools section. Click on Tools and from the expanded menu, find and select Draw. This is where the fun begins. Canva's Draw feature lets you sketch directly on your canvas, allowing you to add a personal, artistic touch to your designs. After selecting the Draw tool, you'll notice different brush options appear at the top of your screen. Explore these. Each brush has its own texture and effect. For example, you might use a pen brush for neat outlines or a marker brush for bold strokes. You can also adjust the brush size and color to suit your style. Try experimenting with different combinations until you find something that fits your design. To start drawing, simply click and drag your cursor on the canvas, just like using a pen on paper. Don't worry about perfection. Canva gives you the freedom to experiment. If you make a mistake, just use the undo button or select the eraser tool to fix it. This flexibility makes the drawing experience much smoother and less stressful, especially for beginners. As you work, remember to save your progress. Canva usually saves automatically, but it's always smart to manually save from time to time, especially when you're deep in creative flow. Once your drawing looks good, you can enhance it by combining it with other Canva elements. Try adding text overlays, shapes, or backgrounds to give your design more depth and personality. Canva's library includes millions of free resources, from icons and gradients to textures and stickers, that can take your artwork to the next level. Another great feature of Canva is its layering system. You can move your drawing behind or in front of other elements to create dynamic compositions. This gives your design a more professional and polished look. If you're using Canva on a tablet or touchscreen device, drawing becomes even more natural. You can use your finger or a stylus for precise control, which makes it easier to create fine details or handwritten effects. As we wrap up, keep in mind that Canva's Draw tool isn't just for creating art. It's also great for brainstorming ideas, adding annotations to presentations, or personalizing templates with your own touch. The more you experiment, the better you'll get. So take your time, play with the brushes, test different techniques, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. With Canva, creativity really is limitless. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you explore a new side of design. Go ahead, open Canva, start drawing, and see where your imagination takes you.